Hey, what's up, guys? Joe here, and welcome to 365 WebX. So today I bring you a very fantastic video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to add a domain name system security extension, better known as DNSSEC or DNSSEC. For those of you who don't know what DNSSEC is, it is a feature of the domain name systems, with the DNS systems that authenticate responses to domain name lookups. Okay, so where we are not here to talk about what it is or what it does, but already before you to decide that you want to add, a DNS SEC to your, website. I believe you know what it is already. You know what it does already. So as you can see, I'm going to show you how to actually update your DNS sec. I prefer calling it DNS sec instead of DNS SEC. So here you can see I have this domain here, and down here you can see DNSSEC management. So if I click on this, as you can see, I'm using Cloudflare to on this site, which is why I have the DNS there. So here, now this is what you do. Go to your domain. You go to your domain where you bought your domain, and under domain, for me, I'm using this guy's host, Hugo Host, and under domains, okay, I have the domain selected, and you down here you can see these options here. And to add a DNS SEC to your, records, to your records, what you do is you click on here, DNSSEC management. Yours might be something else. And here you see it there, you see the key tag, the algorithm, the digest type, the digest, and then the actions. Okay, and of course you can see here that we don't have any records yet, and to add that, I'm going to click add a new DNSSEC, and here you can see it has pulled down this information, records for it to be added on this domain. So if I come down here back to Cloudflare and I go to DNS, you see where it says DNS here. Initially, this is the way it is. Expand that, and then you see if I click on records, this is what you see in there. Okay, these are the records for the domain. But I'm going to click on, what you do is click on what is it called now? Click on settings, and then under settings you can see the DNSSEC is not enabled yet. So DNSSEC uses a cryptographic signature of published DNS records to protect your domain against forged DNS answers. That is what it does. So I'm going to click on enable DNSSEC. And here you can see DNSSEC for your site is being propagated. And yes, so here it has given us these records to be added. Now, I don't know, it depends on where you bought your domain. Some of them you have to copy everything that there is here to add to your your records, but here I'm just going to copy. You see where it says, I'm going to ignore this first one, DNS records. Instead, I'm going to click on to copy the digest, go back here, and you see the digest here, paste in. You see the digest, paste in there, and then the tag. Let me show you what is going on. The tag, where's my tag? Here is your tag. Copy this tag, bring it down here, and paste in here key tag. Okay, that's a key tag. Then here the algorithm is 13, right? So let's go back to here. What is the algorithm? 13, but it's on. Now this is where some people get it wrong. Okay, they go looking for, they expect 13 to be there. So it's an MD5, it's on MD51 RSA/MD51. But let's look for 13. Yeah, you can see ECDSA Cov P256 with SHA-25613. Click on that, and then you go back to Cloudflare. And then the last thing we are looking for is the digest type. Okay, remember you have the digest and the digest type. So go back, digest type, digest type 2. Okay, digest type 2. So that is what we are going to select in here. Digest type 2. This is it. Okay. So here you see digest type 2, and here you select SHA-2562, SHA-256. Okay, and then in bracket you have 2 there. So that is what it simply means. Then once that is done, click add. Okay, okay, it's adding. Okay, here it says the following errors occurred. No parameters value, whatever. Okay, I think because I actually clicked twice to add that. Okay, but this is it, has been added. Okay, so you can't add the same records twice. That is why you have this error message here. But I clicked it twice, I think twice or 3 times. That is why it's giving this error, but it has already added. That is why you see it here. I say the key tag is there, the algorithm is there, the digest type is there, and the digest itself is there. So you come back here to Cloudflare and say confirm. So it's setting up. Okay, you can see here it says the DNSSEC is pending while we wait for the DNS to be added to your registrar. This usually takes 10 minutes, but can take up to an hour. Oh yeah, so but sometimes it's expected that it should be faster than. I'm going to reload the page there to see. Sometimes it doesn't take up to. But yeah, that is how you add DNSSEC or DNSSEC records to your domain. Okay, it has a another level of protection to your domain. Okay. Of course, I told you it doesn't take much time. Here you can see successful. Of course, this domain is protected with DNSSEC. So I advise that as long as you have a domain, I advise that you add these records to it to actually add that level of protection. It helps a lot. Okay, and of course, you have to make sure that you're using strong the SSL/TLS is turned on there. Yeah, that is all. Yeah, so this should help, and that is all that there is for this video. See you next time in another video. You know what to do, guys. Thank you so much. We are growing, bit by bit. You've been helping us to grow the channel. We've surpassed 500 followers. That didn't come by mistake. I want to appreciate you. Keep liking, commenting, and sharing the video. And of course, let's continue the discussion under the comment section. Okay. Maybe next time I'll do a proper video where I talk about what DNSSEC stands for and what it actually means. Okay. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.